Today we're going to talk about the Reprap discount smart controller and how to connect it to the MKS Gen version 1.4. Now I need to point out a couple of things to you. Over here, this connector here is called EXP1 and this one is called EXP2. And on the back of the LCD we also have an EXP1 and an EXP2. So to connect it, what we need to know is there's a notch connector on both. So we're going to place the notch connector in EXP2 and we're going to place the notch connector in EXP1. Next we're going to do the same on the back of the LCD. So EXP1 is going to be notched, as well as EXP2. And as you can see, it's now powered up as soon as we connect the USB. So I'm going to connect the big side of the USB to the MKS and the small side to the computer, and you're going to hear a beep. And as you can see, there's power now. Now on the back side, just to let you know, there is an SD card reader, and on the front we have controls with a potentiometer that you can push and cycle through the menus. We also have a piezo buzzer and a reset button. So in a moment I'm going to show you how to load the Marlin firmware onto the board. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is open up Marlin-bugfix-2.0.x. We're then going to open up the Marlin subfolder, and then we're going to open up the source folder, and then the core folder. Inside here we're going to open up boards.h, and we're going to search on MKS. And as you can see, this is what we want to select, being board underscore MKS underscore Gen underscore 13. So we're going to copy that. We're going to close out of this. We're then going to go up one directory, then another, and we're going to open up the marlin.ini file. Okay, now that we're in the marlin.ini file, we're going to go to configuration.h. We're going to do a search on motherboard, and we're going to highlight board underscore ramps underscore 14 underscore EFB, and we're going to paste what we just copied, which is board underscore MKS underscore Gen underscore 13. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to search on Reprap discount. That's Reprap underscore discount. And as you can see, currently it's commented out, so we need to remove the comments to enable it. And then there's obviously reading if you so choose right here, but for that we're going to skip it. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to select the correct processor, which is the Mega 2560. And then we're also going to select our COM port. In this case, it's COM port 3. So in order to compile and upload the changes that we made, we're going to press the upload button, which will compile and obviously upload. So in a moment, in the next part of the video, I'll show you how the LCD boots. So here we go. Okay, now to test this, we're going to reconnect the USB that it disconnected so we can see it boot. And as you can see, it's powering up. Next is showing the splash screen. And now it's showing the control screen, so we can test it by pushing down and then turning to navigate through menus. So if you like my tutorial, please press the like button and subscribe. And thank you for your time.